Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Porsche continues to redefine automotive excellence with the release of the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This high-performance vehicle is a true masterpiece that combines blistering speed, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled luxury. As Porsche's flagship sports car, the 911 Turbo S remains at the forefront of automotive innovation, and for 2025, it pushes the boundaries even further. Here's everything you need to know about the latest iteration of this iconic supercar. The 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo S takes performance to a whole new level. Equipped with a twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter flat-six engine, it generates a staggering 640 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This immense power allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars on the market. Porsche's signature PDK dual-clutch transmission delivers seamless shifting, ensuring that every bit of power is effectively transmitted to the all-wheel drive system. With a top speed of over 205 miles per hour, the 911 Turbo S is designed to thrill drivers both on the street and the track. One of the standout features of the 2025 911 Turbo S is its superb handling and driving dynamics. Porsche's renowned active suspension management system, PASM, allows for dynamic damping control, giving the car exceptional stability, agility, and cornering ability. The car's rear axle steering provides enhanced maneuverability, particularly at high speeds and tight corners. Furthermore, the car's ceramic composite brakes PCCB provide unparalleled stopping power, ensuring that the 911 Turbo S can handle extreme speeds with ease and confidence. Inside, the 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo S remains as luxurious as ever. The cabin features premium materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, ensuring that every ride feels special. The sports seats are designed to provide maximum support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. Porsche has also incorporated a redesigned digital interface, including a high-resolution 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and has enhanced voice recognition features. The dashboard now includes a fully customizable digital gauge cluster, allowing drivers to tailor their display to show essential performance data in real time. The 2025 911 Turbo S also sees significant advancements in aerodynamics. The car features an active rear spoiler that adjusts based on speed and driving conditions, optimizing downforce when needed while maintaining efficiency at lower speeds. The sculpted body design helps reduce drag while providing an aggressive and unmistakable Porsche silhouette. Porsche continues to integrate advanced technologies into the 2025 Turbo S. The car is equipped with the latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and night vision assist. These systems, combined with Porsche's advanced traction and stability control systems, ensure that the 911 Turbo S is as safe as it is thrilling to drive. As with every Porsche, exclusivity is key. Buyers of the 2025 911 Turbo S have access to a wide range of customization options through Porsche's exclusive manufacturer program. From bespoke exterior finishes to personalized interior details, each 911 Turbo S can be tailored to meet the individual tastes of its owner. The availability of limited edition colors, materials, and options ensures that no two 911 Turbo S models are exactly alike. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo S is expected to start at around $200,000, with the price climbing higher depending on optional features and customization. With its performance, capabilities and level of luxury, it is a worthy investment for automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike. The 2025 Porsche 911 Turbo S is a true testament to Porsche's legacy of engineering excellence. It seamlessly combines blistering performance with cutting-edge technology and timeless luxury. Whether you're on a winding mountain road or a straight highway, the 911 Turbo S delivers an experience that few cars can match. For those who demand the very best, the 2025 911 Turbo S is the ultimate driving machine. Thanks for watching time, and don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the road.